In this video, we'll do a ranking of the best credit cards for beginners. We have compiled the 10 best credit cards for beginners for the year 2022. And here's the list of each and every credit card we'll be discussing in the video. You can find timestamps in the video description. So let's get started. The first one on the list is Discover It Student Cashback. Now let's check the rewards rates. Earn 5% cashback on regular purchases at many locations every quarter, including Amazon.com, supermarkets, restaurants, petrol stations. And when you pay with PayPal, up to maximum for the quarter once activated. Additionally, automatically receive unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. As an intro offer, at the end of the first year, Discover will automatically double all the cashback you have earned. Thus, you could convert $50 into $100 or make $100 into $200. And there is no minimum amount to spend or maximum amount of rewards. Just $1 for a dollar match. It also has a no annual fee and purchases have a 0% introductory APR for 6 months and balance transfers have 10.99% introductory APR for 6 months. The standard variable APR for purchases is between 15.24% and 24.24%. Now let's check its pros. So it has no annual fee, no credit score required to apply, and it also has no foreign transaction fees. And let's look at its cons. Bonus categories may not always match your spending, and in order to receive the higher rewards rate, you must activate them every 3 months. Now, in comparison to Visa or Mastercard, Discover is not as commonly used abroad. The next one on the list is Discover It Student Chrome. Now let's check the rewards rates. Get 2% cashback on up to $1,000 in purchases at gas stations and restaurants each quarter. Automatically receive unlimited 1% cashback on all other purchases. Now, as an intro offer, at the end of your first year, Discover will automatically double all the cashback you have earned. So you could convert $50 into $100 and $100 into $200. And there is no minimum amount to spend or maximum amount of rewards. It's just $1 for a dollar match. It also has no annual fee and purchases have a 0% introductory APR for 6 months and balance transfers have 10.99% introductory APR for 6 months. The standard variable APR for purchases is between 15.24% and 24.24%. Its pros are it has no annual fee and no credit score is required to apply, and it has no foreign transaction fees. And what are its cons? So Discover isn't the best payment option internationally. Thus, it's not a good idea to bring this card on a study abroad trip. Merchants around the world don't accept the network as widely as Visa or Mastercard. So the next one on the list is Chase Freedom Student Credit Card. Let's check the rewards rates. So you'll get 1% cashback on all purchases, and for up to 5 years, you'll receive $20 in good standing rewards after each account anniversary. As an intro offer, $50 bonus after initial purchase within the first 3 months of account opening. It has no annual fee and its APR is 17.24% variable. So let's look at its pros. It has no annual fee and you can increase your credit limit if you make 5 monthly payments on time within 10 months of opening your account and meet credit criteria. Now, cashback redemption has no minimum requirement and cashback incentives do not expire as long as your account is active. Chase Credit Journey offers a free credit score as well. And let's look at its cons. It has a foreign transaction fee. Now the next one on the list is American Express Blue Cash Everyday Card. Let's check the rewards rates. Earn 3% cashback at US supermarkets on purchases up to $6,000 a year. then 1%. Get 3% cashback on online retail transactions made in the United States up to $6,000 per year and thereafter 1%. Get 3% cashback on up to $6,000 each year at US fuel stations, then 1% afterwards. Spend $13.99 or more each month on an eligible membership to the Disney bundle, which includes Disney Plus, Hulu, ESPN Plus, and receive $7 back each month. Now, as an intro offer, spend $2,000 on purchases with your new card within the first 6 months and you'll receive a $200 statement credit. It has no annual fee. Enjoy a 0% introductory APR on purchases and balance transfers for the first 15 months following account opening. The variable APR ranges from 16.24% to 27.24% thereafter. So let's look at its pros. It has a decent welcome offer, solid cashback rewards and 0% intro APR period. And it also has no annual fee. And what are its cons? So your cashback cannot be deposited directly into a bank account. You can only redeem your rewards for a credit to your account, gift cards or items. And outside the United States, it is unlikely that this card will be accepted. The next one on the list is Discover It Secured Credit Card. Now let's check the rewards rates. Earn 2% cashback on combined purchases up to $1,000 at gas stations and restaurants each quarter. Earn limitless 1% cashback automatically on all other transactions. Now, as an intro offer, at the end of your first year, Discover will automatically double all the cashback you have earned. So you could convert $50 into $100, $100 into $200, and there is no minimum amount to spend or maximum amount of rewards. It's just $1 for $1 match. It also has a no annual fee, and balance transfers have 10.99% introductory APR for 6 months, and the standard variable APR for purchases is 25.24%. Establish your credit line by contributing at least $200 in refundable security deposit. Thus, a $200 deposit is required for a $200 credit line. When making your deposit, you must give bank information. Now let's check out its pros. So it has no annual fee and no credit score is required for application. And what are its cons? The $200 minimum deposit may be difficult for some people to come up with, especially since you must have the money on hand when you apply. So the next one on the list is Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card. So Capital One Platinum Secured Credit Card does not provide any rewards. For individuals who qualify, a $200 credit line is available with an initial deposit of $49, $99 or $200. Before your account opens, you can add more funds to raise your credit limit by a maximum of $1,000. You might get your security deposit back as a statement credit when you use your card responsibly, such as by making on-time payments. You can get automatically considered for a bigger credit line in as short as 6 months without having to make another deposit. It also has no annual fee and the current APR is 26.99% variable. So its pros are having $0 fraud liability gives you peace of mind because you won't be held accountable for unauthorized charges. You can monitor your credit score through Capital One's CreditWise and everyone can use it for free. And what are its cons? If your monthly income does not surpass your rent or mortgage payment by at least $425, you will not be eligible for this card. The next one on the list is Petal 2 Visa Credit Card. Let's check the rewards rates. After making 12 timely monthly payments, you can receive up to 1.5% cashback on eligible purchases. On qualifying purchases, you will immediately receive 1% cashback. You can earn 2% to 10% cashback at specific retailers. Now, depending on your credit worthiness, you'll get $300 to $10,000 credit limit. It has no annual fee and the current APR is between 15.24% to 29.24% variable. So its pros are it has no late fee, it has no foreign transaction fee, and it has no annual fee as well. Its cons are it has no bonus offer and it has no intro APR offer. Now the next one on the list is Deserve Edu Mastercard for students. Let's check the rewards rates. So you'll get unlimited cashback of 1% on every purchases and get phone protection worth up to $600. Now when you use your Edu card to make purchases worth $500 within the first 3 billing cycles, you'll receive a free year of Amazon Prime Student. This card also has no annual fee and the current APR is 20.99% variable. Now let's look at its pros. No deposit is required. It has no annual fees. There are no international transaction fees for overseas purchases. International students are not required to provide a social security number to apply. And what are its cons? Reward points can only be redeemed for a statement credit, and you must earn $25 worth of points before they automatically redeem. Now the next one on the list is Capital One SavorOne Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. Now let's check their rewards rates. Earn unlimited 3% cashback at grocery stores, popular streaming services, restaurants and other businesses. On all other purchases, get 1% cashback. As an intro offer, get $100 cash bonus after making $100 in purchases during the first 3 months after account opening. It also has no annual fee and the current APR is between 16.49% to 26.49% variable. Its pros are it has no annual fee as well as it has no foreign transaction fee and it has excellent welcome bonus with a low spending threshold. Now its cons are it's exclusively for college students. Now the last one on the list is Tomo credit card. Let's check the rewards rates. You can earn an unlimited 1% cashback on all qualifying purchases. It has no intro offer, it has no annual fee and it has no interest charges. So what are its pros? You can get credit limit of up to $10,000. Non-US citizens can also apply. No credit history or check is necessary. It has zero APR charges and there is no need for a security deposit. And what are its cons? Other credit cards could provide higher perks and rewards. So that's all for today. If you have found any value in the content, then I would ask you to please like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you next time.